Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to unmute someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unmute someone on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. And after opening the Telegram app, guys, you will be able to know whom you had muted by seeing the speaker with the cross icon just beside their name. And you can see the guys on this interface at the top of the screen. I had muted my friend over here, and there is the muted sign just beside the name at the right side of the name. Open that chat box in order to unmute them, and at the top of the screen, tap on their name, guys, and you will be on the profile section of that account of your friend, of that person whom you want to unmute. And after that, if you had customized the notification sounds from that person, you can tap on the notifications over here, and you will be able to customize or recustomize what sounds you had muted or what notifications you had muted. But if you had muted them permanently, like this, guys, the toggle icon at the right side of the notifications will be turned off. Now in order to unmute them, tap on the toggle icon, and guys, the notification will be turned back on. With that being done, guys, this is how to unmute someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.